Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted messages on your iPhone 15. So we can do this by going to the messages, of course, and looks like I don't have here any messages. But if you delete something, you can click on the edit button. Okay, never mind, let's create the new one like this. Click send. And it appears right here, right? So when you delete like this message from this screen, you are still able to go to the edit, click show recently deleted, and here you can recover. And as you can see, it's back. The second option is to go to the settings. There we are. We have to simply go to the Apple ID. Then we have to go for the iCloud. Now, when we are here, we have to click to show all apps that are using the iCloud. And here we have the messages, so we can turn on this synchronize option. If you have it already turned on, all you have to do is just to power it off, click to disable and download messages, just like that. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work right here, but I was using a few moments ago the iPhone 15 Plus and everything was fine. So right now when you go back to the messages, let's see if we can find something here. Yeah, we've got additional messages that we actually restore from the iCloud. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.